Hi everyone, let's talk about the eligibility requirements for the Northern Territory. Now, the Northern Territory has now released what they require for the financial year 2024 to 2025 if you wish to migrate there on the subclass 190 or the 491. Now, some of the main things to note that they want to clarify is if you've been invited before, you will not be issued another invitation for the subclass 190 if you have been invited for either the 489 or the 491. If you are migrating dependent and are currently living interstate, they're not going to issue invitations. If you or any migrating dependent are currently on a student visa, you must have completed that qualification in Northern Territory to try and migrate. Otherwise, again, you will not be issued an invitation. If you're outside Australia, then they are prioritizing certain occupations within Northern Territory. So make sure you fit into one of those occupations if you want to get nominated in Northern Territory, and make sure that it's for the subclass 491 visa because they will not invite you for the subclass 190. Other than that, if you are overseas, you need to have at least 2 years of work experience in your occupation, demonstrate a genuine commitment to live in the Northern Territory on a long-term basis, declare that you have the financial capacity to be able to support yourself. Now, this will vary depending on the size of your family. Now, as I mentioned, there's 3 streams. There's the priority occupation stream. There's the Northern Territory family stream. So that's if you have a family member within Australia, either permanent resident, citizen, on a 494 visa, 489 visa, 491 visa as well. They can all help you migrate if you have a family member there. But they should also be residing in Northern Territory. Now, this can be a parent, child or stepchild, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, nephew, nieces, first cousins or grandparents as well. The last stream is the Northern Territory job offer stream. So if you have a job offer within Northern Territory from a company that has been actively operating for at least 12 months, you can also go for this pathway. So there's 3 streams in total, but make sure you're able to demonstrate the financial capacity and the commitment to live in Northern Territory. Now, there's a whole bunch of occupations that are allowed, but again, if you're from overseas, then you would only be able to get nominated for the priority occupations under subclass 491. If you're in Northern Territory, then you can pick from a number of occupations that are on the list. If you have any questions regarding this, you can contact us at Migration Centre of Australia or book in a consultation via our website.